Question, we have to find out the secret message given by these numbers. For finding it, firstly we will write here all the alphabets from A to Z in a sequence. Then below these alphabets we will write counting of numbers 1 up to 26. Now we will look this number belongs to which alphabet. As 7 is written here, upside of 7 G alphabet is there, so we written there G. Similarly, by reading all these numbers, we are finding out which alphabet belongs with them, and we can find out the message which these numbers represent. Now we will learn about symmetry. A figure in which one part exactly fits over the other part is called symmetrical figure. As here A alphabet is given, it has line of symmetry in the center. When we will fold this alphabet from this line of symmetry, then this portion of A will properly fit on the other portion. In this way, we can find out the lines of symmetry of given figure. When we see in a mirror, we look at our reflection. But in mirror, when we are seeing in mirror, our reflection, left hand appears right and right hand appears left. If we write 2 on any paper and see it in a mirror, then it will appear in this form. In same way, a triangle like this shown in mirror, it will appear in this form. So in same way, every point of any figure turns from left to right when we are seeing it in reflection. So here these both pictures are seeing similar when we are seeing in mirror, so these are not reflection, but this is the reflection of P when we will see in it mirror. In same way, S is coming here also same, so it is not any reflection but it is same. If we want to make reflection of 7, then it will, this point will come here and this point will appear some here, means every point which is on left hand side will become right and every point on right hand side will become its left. So 7 will appear in this way in figure, in mirror, sorry.